Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for joining. Today we're going to look at the SUPCASE and the iBlazing case series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Right after this. The first case we're going to look at is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. Let's go ahead and get this open. Of course, you have your extended warranty. It's always nice to have with this case. Instruction manual. So take a look here. As you can see, this case does have two parts. It's not just one. So you have the back cover and then the front cover. This is a tempered glass. So as it states here, you want to make sure you enable this setting so that way you can use this on your Z Fold 7. Go to settings, go to display, touch sensitivity, then make sure you enable that. And that way you can operate the screen through this tempered glass onto your phone. Get this prepared. So you're gonna remove this here, an adhesive strip there. And you have one here as well. You have one here as well. Don't think you're gonna need them. So I'm gonna take that out. And take that off as well. Slap on the back portion of it. You're going to go ahead and put the front cover part on. Have that carbon fiber design on here, which is nice. Fully protected Z Fold 7. You can see the camera lenses are protected. Easy access to the buttons. Unlocks just fine. Open it up here. Do the same. Opens just fine. You can see easy access to the buttons as I showed earlier. Bottom cutouts. And then your top cutouts. And again, you have this nice hinge protection. On top of all of that, you have a kickstand. So you can set it up that way, which is landscape, portrait. If you want to open this up, turn it that way. You can watch your nice videos and stream so easily. Also acts as a holder, so you can stick your finger in there and hold your phone. Let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. See what happens here. And as you can see, wireless charging. This case is the complete package. Let's take a look at the next one. Next, we have the Unicorn Beetle Grip. Let's take a look at that. Let's go ahead and pop this in. Snaps right in. Let's pop this in. And just like that, it's fully installed. You can see the reinforced grip, carbon fiber design there, but you have this reinforced grip on this side and reinforced grip on this side as well. So when you hold it, you can hold it with confidence and get that extra grip that's included with this case. Hinge protection, as you can see here. And these cases are not making this phone extra bulky. It just gives you a sense of security while you have this case fully protected. The MagSafe ring back here. You see the button there for the power and the volume rocker. Unlocks right away. And of course, while it's open, same deal. Look how fast it responds. Very nice. And then you look here, there's a kickstand. Pop this up. It's really nice when you open this up. You can watch your movies while the phone stands up. Or of course you could do it sideways as well. Let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. Wireless charging works with the case. And again, you have the MagSafe ring on the back. So wireless charging and MagSafe. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. Next, we have the EyeBlazing Armor Box. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. All right, let's go ahead and get this installed. Nice and easy. Back cover slaps on just like that. And we're going to slap on the front cover. Open the hinge protector up. Get that pop in place and it's ready to go. Again, you can see the reinforced grip on this side. Reinforced grip on this side. You can hold this with confidence and be good to go. Top cutouts there, bottom cutouts there, button cutouts there. It makes it easy to open and close. You're not getting bulk with this case, but you're getting full protection. You have a kickstand back here. Again, you can set it up that way, this way. You can open it up, and you can set it up that way or that way. Again, it acts as a holder. You can slip your finger in there and you're holding your phone. Again, your camera lenses are protected. It's really nice. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. As you can see there, charges with this case. Very nice indeed. Let's go ahead and take a look at the last case. We have the EyeBlazing Cosmo SP Clear case. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. You already know the drill with this. Make sure you enable the setting before installing the case. There is adhesive on here, as you can see. I don't think it's going to be needed, but you do have that option. Slap the rear on first. There you go. Then we're going to slap on the front. And there you go. Now that's dope. That frost look. I think this is pretty nice. You got all the protection. Look at the camera lenses, nice and protected. Easy access to the buttons. Opens up really nice. Fingerprint. Opens just fine. Of course, when it's open, same thing. Opens right away. Got the bottom cutouts there. Top cutouts, and you have the MagSafe ring on the back. Let's check out wireless charging. Charges just fine. Very nice case to have here. You can show off your colors and still be fully protected. And of course, last but not least, you have the kickstand here. So you can open this up. Watch your videos this way or this way. How dope is that? So there you have it, folks. You have the Unicorn Beetle Pro, Unicorn Beetle Grip, EyeBlazing Cosmo, or EyeBlazing Armor Box. If you're interested in any one of these cases, use the link in the description section, as it does help out me and my channel. But this completes my review for the SUPCASE and the EyeBlazing case lineup for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7.